Hello there. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome today on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday. May the 15th, 2023. We have not so good news because we have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. There's in this newspaper no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Well, what I will do is I will look for an old additional with extra puzzles left. And what's the news for today? Well, Loreen has won again with the song festival. Yeah, Songcontest. Loreen, Sweden. Yes, Sweden has won 7 times, and next year it will be the 50th. 50th. Yeah. 50 years ago they won the first contest. All right, so what I will do is solve the medium Sudoku. This will be number 6438. 6438. And also not so good news because the publisher published lately with the medium Sudokus more than 26 printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. Wow. The one-star Sudokus in additional has 27, so it should be easier than the one-star puzzle. But for a one-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, maybe 14 or 30 minutes, and it's now 2 minutes already passed. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Which number shall I pick? How about the number 2 in this row, the number 2 in the last rows in the row between. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 2. All right, then how about let me see, which number can I pick? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 9 should be here because in the last column we have 5 missing numbers, and one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, or there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, no 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. All right. 999. Then 99. Okay. How about let me think. 6. Well. What's happening? What's happening? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and need a 1 here. All right. All right. 3 3 3 3 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Come on. 3. We have a 3 here. 7. Need a 7 here. 7. 7. Maybe the 3 here. What's happening? 1 1. Am I stuck? 4 4. Yeah, 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 6 7 and a 9. 6 7 9 9 9. We have a 9 9 here. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 9. Okay, need to wait. 6 and the 7, 6 7 and the 5. Need a 5 here. 5 9 2 8. The 8 here. 8 there. And 8 here. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in the row above, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, or there in this column. Here or there. We see another 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 5 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 5 7. 3 5 7, 3 5 7, 3 5 7. And look, we have a 3 in this third column, no 3 there. 3 in the first row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. One of the missing number in this column is the number 1. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 in the second column could be here or could be there. We see another 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 as a pair here. Need to wait. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1. Yeah. 5 missing numbers. Yeah. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. 7 7. Okay. 7 5 and need an 8. Yeah, need an 8. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left here. Alright, here also a pair, 7 and a 5. So we need a number here, the 3 should be there. Yeah, 3, 3, 3, yeah, okay. 7, 5, and 6 is missing here. 6. Well, this is not an easy one, not an easy one. 6, 6. Do we have all the 8s? No. 8 in this row, 8 last row, 8 in a row above, so in that row the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7, 5, and a 6, need a 6 here. Yeah. 7, 5, and a 6, alright, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Need to wait. 1, 1. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Alright, how about these two? 5 and the 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. I've marked this box with 7 or 5. We have a 7 in this column, so this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Alright. 6, 7, 3. Then 3, 3. We need a 3 here. 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. So the 9 and the 6, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, Wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, no, we have a 4 here. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row, no, in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Having troubles with this one. Well, yeah, it's medium. Yeah, although it has 30 printed digits. Need to think this one, find the numbers. And but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional of one of the previous daily newspaper. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.